Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to avoid receiving calls from unknown or unwanted numbers, or you prefer to filter your incoming calls. So today I'm going to show you how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, scroll up and tap on this Calls option. Now, to silence unknown callers, you simply need to toggle on this switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully silenced unknown callers on WhatsApp. Now, any call from unknown number will be silenced. You won't receive any notification or ringtone when such calls come through. It's important to note that this feature will not block messages from unknown numbers, only calls. There you go. If you wanted to know how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.